Hey everybody, Johnny with Hickory's Nest. Thanks for tuning in for the Oak Bowl here. It's from the old barn, the 200-year-old barn. Man, wait till you see all the nails we had to work around in this material. Enjoy the video, everybody. Check out some of the cool old notches that I found in these pieces. Pretty neat. Have us a little commercial break here. Eye Candy, Jeff and his team at Eye Candy Pigment, is who we use for all of our epoxy mix and pigment. Man, they're awesome. So as you can see, a big piece, a good sized chunk blew out of the side of this, but it's just so natural with all the nail holes and the grain color that it just made the piece complete. Thanks again for watching. We'll see y'all here soon. Bye for now.